So far, we introduced quite a few notions about regressions. Most statistics books start by introducing regression assumptions directly, but we prefer to talk about the intuition behind regressions first, and then introduce you to regression assumptions. Now that we have seen quite a few lessons, we are ready to introduce regression assumptions. Here, we divide them into 5 assumptions. You should know all of them and consider them before you perform regression analysis. We will have a separate lesson for each one. The first one is linearity. It is called a linear regression. As we said earlier, there are other types of regressions with more sophisticated models. The linear regression is the simplest one and assumes linearity. Each independent variable is multiplied by a coefficient and summed up to predict the value. The second one is endogeneity of regressors. Mathematically, this is expressed as the covariance of the error, and the x's is 0 for any error or x. The third assumption is normality and homoscedasticity of the error term. Normality means the error term is normally distributed. The expected value of the error is 0, as we expect to have no errors on average. Homoscedasticity, in plain English, means constant variance. We will discuss it thoroughly later. The fourth assumption is no autocorrelation. Mathematically, the covariance of any 2 error terms is 0. That's the assumption that would usually stop you from using a linear regression in your analysis. And the last one is no multicollinearity. Multicollinearity is observed when 2 or more variables have a high correlation between each other. Okay, these are the main regression assumptions. They are crucial for regression analysis. As the purpose of this section is to help you understand regressions, you should not skip any lectures about assumptions. At your workplace, the biggest mistake you can make is to perform a regression that violates one of these assumptions.